Good morning, dear students. In the previous class, we learned about volume and surface area of some 3D figures. We also saw if two figures are joined and how we can find the volume and surface area. And in today's class, we are going to learn something different, that is frustum of cone. Frustum, it's a Greek word and it means cut off. It means cut off. That means if we cut a figure and the part left over, the part is left over, that is called frustum. Okay, so what we are going to learn particularly here is frustum of cone. So basically we take a right circular cone. So we take a right circular cone, okay, and remove a portion of it. And how do we do that? So basically we take the right circular cone and we cut it, here you can see we cut it by a plane parallel to its base. So what is important? By a plane parallel to its base, and what is left over, that is called frustum. So what is left over? There are two things, two portions left over here. So this one is called frustum of cone. This one is called frustum of cone. And for example, daily life example, we have seen a glass of water, glass which we use to drink water, and that shape is nothing but the frustum of cone only. This shape is nothing but the frustum of cone. So frustum मतलब कट ऑफ, कोन के प्लेन को अगर हम कट करके, कोन के प्लेन को अगर हम कट करके राइट पैरेलल टू बेस कट करेंगे, सो जो लेफ्ट ओवर पोर्शन है, ये जो नीचे वाला जो स्मॉलर पोर्शन बचता है हमारा, दिस इज कॉल्ड फ्रस्टम ऑफ कोन. सो कट ऑफ अ पोर्शन ऑफ अ कोन इज कॉल्ड फ्रस्टम ऑफ कोन. तो यहाँ पर और समझते हैं इसको. तो यहाँ पर जैसे हमने एक जैसे ही कट किया, तो यहाँ पर वी आर लेफ्ट विद द टू कोन्स, राइट. सो द लार्जर वन इज हियर, ओके, the not the larger one, okay, the larger one we take here h as a h and the slant height l and the radius r. Similarly the smaller one is left here, this one, the slant height with l, okay, and the radius r. Similarly, so now we will learn how to find the volume, surface area, curved surface area, slant height and total surface area of the frustum of a cone. Now we can see the diagram left over is this here. So अब हम इसमें फॉर्मूला बेस फॉर्मूला फॉर्म करते हैं. यहाँ पे मैं डेरिवेशन तो नहीं बताएंगे बिकॉज दैट इज नॉट इन द सिलेबस ऑल्सो, एंड लाइक इट्स लाइक ज़्यादा हो जाए, थोड़ा सा बिगर हो सकता है आपके लिए, ठीक है. सो इट्स सिंपल ओनली. सो इफ़ यू रिमेंबर द स्लैंट हाइट ऑफ द कोन, दैट वॉज राइट एच स्क्वायर प्लस आर स्क्वायर. तो सिमिलरली यहाँ पर भी होने वाला है, बस थोड़ा सा डिफरेंस आएगा. इफ यू रिमेंबर द टोटल सरफेस एरिया ऑफ द कोन, एंड दैट वाज पाई आर एल, and inside this was r1 plus so the total surface area was cone was not pi r l, this is pi r into r plus l, and the volume was 1 by 3 pi r square h. Okay, this was the 1/3 of the cylinder. So and curved surface area was pi r l, only pi r l. Now we are going to use these formulas only, and we understand the what could be the formulas for frustum of cone, and it's going to be very simple. So slant height for the frustum of the cone is going to be like L equal to h square height square. Since you can see यहाँ पर कि radius r2 and r1 I have taken here, and this radius is bigger than this one, right. तो यहाँ पर क्या हो जाएगा, प्लस r1 square minus r2 square. Okay, r1 square minus r2, sorry not r square here, r2 just हाँ r1 minus r2 whole square. Okay, this one will be whole square. Now when we say ki curved surface area of the cone, so this was pi r l, right. So pi and l is going to remain same, this the slant height is same, only the r is going to be changed, and which one is r plus r1, r plus r2. Okay, r plus r1 plus r2. Now when I say surface area of the cone, surface area of the frustum of the cone, then it is going to be like this, pi, it's simple going to be like this, pi l r1 plus r2 plus pi r1 square plus pi r2 square. And how do we do that? Total surface area of the cone means this, the area of this top surface, right, the area of this top surface pi r1 square, right, pi r2 square, the area of this bottom surface, the circular base, right, pi r1 square, and the area of the curved surface, the area of the curved surface you can see here, right, पाई एल इंटू आर वन प्लस आर टू। तो इट्स सिंपल, याद मेमोराइज करने में प्रॉब्लम बिल्कुल नहीं होगी, याद करने में रखने में इट्स सिंपल ओनली। व्हाट इज द वॉल्यूम? सो इट इज गोइंग टू बी द सेम पाई बाई 3, पाई एच इज ऑल्सो गोइंग टू बी ओनली द आर स्क्वायर वैल्यू विल चेंज एंड दैट विल बी आर वन स्क्वायर। सो कंसिडर इट लाइक दिस, आर वन स्क्वायर प्लस आर टू स्क्वायर प्लस आर वन आर टू प्लस आर वन आर टू। सो इट्स सिंपल, इतना ही फॉर्मूले हमें याद रखने हैं and we can solve the questions based on this. Okay, the form questions are really not difficult to solve based on the this. You just only need to remember the formulas and don't consider this as like difficult ones. Okay, बहुत easy है. Let's now solve the problems based on this. Okay, the very first problem, a bucket is frustum shaped. Okay, its height is 28 centimeter. Radii circular face are 20 cm, 12 cm and 15 cm. Find the capacity of the bucket. तो जैसे ये बकेट है, घर में जो पानी भरने के लिए हम बकेट यूज़ करते हैं, बाल्टी यूज़ करते हैं, तो उसका ये शेप दिया हुआ है, ये 15 सेंटीमीटर है और तो ये 12 सेंटीमीटर हो जाएगा, राइट? बेस 12 सेंटीमीटर हो जाएगा. सो बेसिकली इफ आई टेक गिवन, इफ आई हैव टू राइट गिवन, देन आई कैन राइट R1. You can simply properly write radius of the bottom base of circular face. R1 equal to 12 centimeter. Then I can take R2 equal to 15 centimeter, right? And H equal to 28 centimeter. And in the question, what is asked? Find the capacity of the bucket. And we have done in the previous class that if the capacity is asked, that means the volume of the bucket. Okay, so we can simply write capacity of the bucket, capacity of the bucket equal to volume of frustum, that is volume of frustum. Okay, cut off part of the cone. यहाँ पर वॉल्यूम अभी पड़ा पाई बाई 3 पाई आर स्क्वायर एच इज द फॉर्मूला फॉर वॉल्यूम ऑफ कोन, सिंपली वॉल्यूम ऑफ कोन. सो इफ आई राइट पाई एच एंड आर स्क्वायर की जगह पे क्या आ जाएगा, आर वन स्क्वायर प्लस आर टू स्क्वायर प्लस आर वन इंटू आर टू. ओके, इट्स दैट सिंपल. एंड नाउ जस्ट लेट्स पुट द वैल्यूज. 1/3, take pi equal to 22/7. It is already given in the question here, right? And R1 square. So R1 is 12 square plus 15 square and then plus 12 into 15, right? Easy. So here you get 22. So you can actually sorry, H is also left, right? Just a second, I'll just put H also. So that is 22/7 and H value is 28 centimeter, right? Height is given 28 centimeter. So this will be 7 1s are 7 4s are 28. So 22 into 4, 22 into 4 upon 3, and inside it will be like 144 plus 225 plus 180. Now just let's simplify this. Yeah. So it will be 222 into 4 upon 3 into, and let's add all of these. So you will get 549, and I think this can be cut by 3 also. So ये cut होके कितना आ जाएगा, 183, 3 1s are and 3 8s are, yeah, 183. So this will be 88 into 183, and if we just multiply this, we will get 16104 centimeter cube since it is volume. एंड यू हैव टू कैपेसिटी वी हैव टू फाइंड, राइट? तो कैपेसिटी के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा, इसे हम 1000 से डिवाइड कर दे. सो 1 बेसिकली सिंस 1 लीटर, सॉरी 1 सेंटी, हाँ जस्ट अ सेकेंड, दिस इज 1000 लीटर. सो इफ यू डिवाइड दिस 1 बाय 1000, सो वी विल गेट 16.104 लीटर. सो बेसिकली देयरफॉर कैपेसिटी ऑफ द बकेट is 16.104 liter. Got it? And that's how we'll solve this. So easy है question. The only thing we need to remember is the formulas, right? The only thing we need to remember is the formulas, nothing else, and it's very simple. Okay, now let's solve one more problem based on this. Okay, and see how easy it can be. Like now in this problem number 2, example 2, the radii means there are two radius. Okay, there are two radius, so plural form of radius is radii. The radii of the ends of the frustum of a cone 45 centimeter and high 45 centimeter, high are 28 centimeter and 30 centimeter. Okay, Find its volume, curved surface area and the total surface area. So it's given as 28 centimeter as this one, 7 centimeter as this smaller one. Okay, if I just cut and make it again, then it will look like this. Then it will look like this. So this is 28 centimeter, this is 7 centimeter and the height is given as 45 centimeter. The 45 centimeter, right? So we have to find the volume and we have to find the surface area and we have to find the curved surface area. So everything we have to find out. So let's write it down first. So given क्या है, R1 equal to, we can take 7 centimeter or you can take 28, anything is fine, don't worry, it won't be wrong. 28 centimeter as the R2 and the height is 45 centimeter. And we can write first, let's find the volume of the cone first. Volume of frustum, volume of the frustum. Again, pi by 3 r square h is the volume of the cone. So its formula will be 1 by 3 into pi h into r की जगह पे आ जाएगा r स्क्वायर की जगह पे r1 स्क्वायर plus r2 square plus r1 into r2. That's it. So you put the values here, all the values here. You get 22 upon 7, height is 45 is given, r1 square will be 7 square plus 28 square and then plus 7 into 28, and it's that easy. This will be 315s are okay. And here you get, solve it completely. So you will get 22 into 15 upon 7 into 7 square is 49 here. 28 square is 28 into 28, 784, okay, and plus 7 into 28, this is 196. Now add all these, 22 into 15 plus 7 into, this is 49 plus 784 plus 196, this will be 1029. Now simply it can be cut by 7. If you 7 1s are 7, carry 3, 7 4s are 28, carry 4, 7 4 7s are 49. So this is, and now just simply multiply it. So you will get 48,510 centimeter cube, since it is volume and the units are given in centimeter. So that's how we simply find it. कितना easy है, right? Easy ही है, बस हमें सारी values given होनी चाहिए और हमें formula याद होनी चाहिए, and then it is easier, right? Now we have to we have found the volume of the frustum. Now we will find the curved surface area and the total surface area, right? For the curved surface area, आप ये भी बात क्या, कोन में क्या होता था, पाई आर एल, तो यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा, पाई एल और आर की जगह पे आ जाएगा r1 प्लस r2. इट्स दैट सिंपल. सो पाई 22 upon 7, l is, so here we don't have the l, right? No, it's h, not pi, l here, sorry. First we have so pi l, ठीक है, it's right, pi l here for the curved surface area. And first we have to find the h value, because we don't have the h value, right? So first we will write slant height, because we are not given with the l here. So slant height l equal to क्या हो जाएगा, so पहले क्या होता था, h square plus r square. So here h square, r1 minus r2 square, r1 minus r2 whole square. So this will be h square, h is given as 45 whole square plus r1 28 minus 27, whatever you consider. This will be how much, 45. Simply just multiply it, तो 45. So 45 का multiplication हो जाएगा 9 4s are 30, sorry 5 4s are 20 and 5 5s are 25. So 2025 plus 28 minus 7, this is 19, right? So 21 whole square. So 21 का whole square आप सभी को पता होगा कितना होता है, right? That is 441. So just simply यहाँ पे 2025 plus 441, add them, you will get, right, you will get 2466. Now what is the square root of 2466? You have to find out. So basically 2500 का स्क्वायर जो होता है वो होता है कितना होता है 50 होता है, राइट? 50 is the square root of 2500, so this will be around 49 point something. So you can figure it out and it will be come as 49.65 centimeter. Since this is length L, slant height of the cone, so it will be L only. Clear है यहाँ तक? Now we got the L and we can find the curved surface area of the cone. So we will write, so the curved surface area, so the curved surface area of the frustum, sorry it's frustum, I keep saying cone, you will get to used to it, it's same only. So total curved surface area now will be pi L into R1 plus R2, right? Now we have the L, so this is 22 upon 7, the L value we have is 49.65 and R1 we have is 28 plus 7 or 7 plus 28, anything is fine. So we have here now, if you solve this completely, you can 22 upon 7 into 49.65 and this is 35, 7 5s are 35, multiply all of these, so we will get 45461.5 centimeter square, and this is the curved surface area of the cone, curved surface area, right? Now we are left with the total surface area of the cone, and how we find it? So total surface area, now we can write total surface area of the frustum, not cone, sorry I keep saying that, total surface area of the frustum. So the only thing important here is the formulas, right? The formulas, if you just remember the formulas, then it will be all easier, right? So this is the formula is this, for this is curved surface area, bottom surface area square plus top surface area square, right? It's all clear. So here we have already calculated, just 5416.61.5, this we just calculated only 61.5 plus pi 21 and R1 square, that is 28 whole square, plus 22 upon 7 into R2, that is 7 whole square, right? So simply some values can be cut here, so this will be 22 upon 7 into 28 into 28 R, and this will be 22 upon 7 into 7. I have just opened the bracket, okay? So यहाँ पर देख सकते हैं 7 4 जा और 7 1 जा, ये कट हो गया, and we just write this down. So we get here 5461.5. This will be, just multiply all of them, so you get here, right? You get here 2464, 8 into 4 into 22, right? And similarly here we get 22 into 7, so this is 154, and if we multiply all of these, so we get here 8079.5 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर, सिंस इट्स सरफेस एरिया, याद रखना सरफेस एरिया यहाँ पर आर का स्क्वायर हो रहा है, राइट? एक का स्क्वायर हो रहा है तो सरफेस सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर आएगा. सो टोटल सरफेस एरिया ऑफ द फ्रस्टम, सरफेस एरिया ऑफ द फ्रस्टम, एंड दैट्स हाउ वी सॉल्व एनी काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चंस गिवन related to frustum of cone, okay? Given related to frustum of cone, so we just need to remember the formulas and we can solve any questions in the frustum of cone, and there will be like some थोड़ा understanding होगा, but अगर आपको cone अच्छे समझ में आता है तो आपको frustum of cone easy लगेगा. Now what we will do, we will solve like I have given this good question here as homework, so I really want all of you to solve this. This is a really good question, okay? Not difficult, even if it looks lengthy, but difficult नहीं है, काफ़ी easy है ये question है. आपको solve करना है इसे, and you have to send me the answer, okay? Now and then you will solve practice set 7.2, practice set 7.2 after once you are done with this question, and you will send me those homeworks as well. So I hope you found it easier, आंसर में आएगा. बस फॉर्मूला थोड़ा सा याद रखना है, वो भी कौन से रिलेटेड ही है सारे फॉर्मूलाज, बस आर की वैल्यू चेंज हो रही है सब में, बिकॉज यहाँ पर 2 रेडियस आ गए हैं, राइट? कौन में रेडियस 1 होता था, यहाँ पर 2 आ गए बिकॉज कट कर दिया गया है, तो वही बस थोड़ा सा अलग है, अदरवाइज इट्स सेम ओनली, ओके? थैंक यू सो मच गाइस.